Hi, my name is Friday and welcome to my channel. Let's start crafting. For our first craft, we're going to want 3 of these picture frames and 1 of these. Now you can paint your frame and this if you want, but I like cutting cardstock and I just put the cardstock in there. That way I can change it out what I want, however I feel. So I cut my cardstock out and I put wax paper because the way I'm going to place my stickers, I don't want them to stick to my table. And this way I can take the leftover stickers and put them on something else. So the first thing we're going to do is we're just going to start laying stickers randomly. I left a tad bit of space just so when I do cut that my paper isn't on top of my other paper. And I'm just going to start right here. A little easier for me to see where I'm cutting from. Okay, now that I've finished cutting all around, I'm going to take a few of my stickers and fill in some gaps. It comes real easy off of wax paper. And now just to remember before I put them in my frames, which way they go, I'm just going to mark top, bottom, and center. Top, bottom, center. And then cut them out and put them in your frames and hang them up. Okay, so this is how they turned out. And if I could do this craft all over again, I would have adjusted my cardstock to make room for the gap between my frames and the frames themselves. But I still like it. On to the next craft. For this craft, I'm going to take this leftover sticker and I'm going to take one of these stickers and put it on my wax paper and cut it in half. I'm going to use 4 of these beads and I'm going to paint them with this box white. And then I need 2 of these purple stickers. I know, purple, right? Seriously, can you really tell? Okay, so I'm going to paint this, let it dry, and I'll be back. Okay, now that my box is dried, I only did it 1 coat. I am going to place this like this, try to get it as center as I can. I want it right on the edge and centered. And these pieces that I cut in half, I'm just going to put them in the corners. And just to put some icing on top of the cake, take my little purple beads. And then I'm going to glue my little beads on the feet, like right there and in the back. Then I'm going to fill it up with foliage. Okay, there's the finished product, and it does match my 3-piece I made earlier. It doesn't quite go with this pillow I found at the Dollar Tree, so I'm not sure if I'm going to use that. Okay, on to the next craft. For this craft, we need 2 nautical ropes, this vase, and this basket, and some foliage, lots of foliage, because what we're going to do is we're going to make a big, wide vase. The first thing I'm going to do is paint this, your choice of colors, and then when I'm done, I am going to shove this basket in here real tight. I'm not going to glue it. I want like about an inch all around. And trust me, it stays real tight. And I am not going to cut this out here because it's perfect to line my foliage in. I might put something on the bottom so my foliage doesn't hit, because I do like full vases. So first thing you want to do after you paint it and put this in here is take your nautical rope, and I'm going to leave these handles here, and I'm just going to start gluing from the back all around. So let me get this painted and put something in here so my foliage doesn't fall all the way down, and I'll be back. Okay, so I painted mine mineral. You probably can't tell there's that much of a difference. I just wanted to get rid of the sheen. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start in the back with my nautical rope. You want to take off this little end first. You just kind of glue this down so it doesn't fray so much. Kind of twist it. Don't want to know if I do this with my fingers. And then I'm going to start like right in the middle of the back. And I want to make sure my nautical rope is mainly on this. This way I can always pop it out. And I did just fill mine with newspaper. And then I think we all know how to do tie rope around a basket. But I want it to rest, but I don't want to glue it on this. This way I can always pop it out and do something else. Okay, I'm going to finish this, put some foliage in it, and set it up. Okay, I decided to add a ribbon to it. I didn't make a fancy bow or anything. I just threw some ribbon on there. But I absolutely love how it came out. It is 9 inches tall, 9.5 inches tall, and 8 inches wide. I do need some more foliage to make it bigger, but for now, this works. Okay, to all my subscribers, thank you. And for those of you that are not subscribed, subscribe and join the fun. Okay, everyone, stay safe.